Hi, I'm Mark Littler. I'm an independent antiques consultant and whisky broker, and in this video I'll explain whether it matters whether your cask is on an anniversary year or close to an anniversary year when you sell it. The simple answer to this question is no. It doesn't make any difference whether your cask is on an anniversary year when you sell it or near an anniversary year when you sell it. Now, clearly, the older the cask, broadly speaking, the higher the value. But it doesn't matter if your cask is 24.5 years old or 25 years old. And because what's more important is the health of that cask, and specifically the ABV of that cask. So if you've got a cask of whiskey at 55% ABV, you know full well it's going to survive another few years without dropping below 40%. Now, why is 40% important? Because if it drops below 40% ABV, then that whiskey or that spirit is no longer able to be called whiskey. So if you've got a cask that's 23 years old or 24.5 years old and it's at 55% ABV, the value will be the same as it is a 25-year-old cask. It's not going to magically mature overnight and increase in value, because if that was the case, then no one in the industry would ever touch a 25-year-old cask. They would either buy it when it was 24 or they'd buy it when it was 26. So there's no magical reason why a cask should mature in value just because it's hit an anniversary year. It does make it a little bit more commercial if it's close to an anniversary year, but waiting for it to hit the nail on the head exactly doesn't make any difference whatsoever. We've got lots more video guides at marklittler.com, and if you're looking to sell or buy a cask, please get in touch and we'll be happy to help.